Here we have 40 idiot drivers. Before we continue, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. A taxi crossing at an intersection nearly runs over a pedestrian. A semi-truck turning onto a street ends up scraping against a parked car. Someone trying to back out of a parking space ends up hitting a fence and driving over a grassy hill. While trying to park, this car accidentally breaks a piece of this planter off. Two cars speeding in front of a cop get pulled over.
Cop right there, you see it?
While opening his trunk, this man accidentally breaks his rear windshield. A car cuts off a motorcycle in front of a disguised cop car and gets themselves pulled over. Someone using a makeshift ramp to get a car onto their porch accidentally gets their back wheels stuck hanging off.
Need to close that door.
You got it up there.
A man is standing on a moving trailer to hold down a fridge. A semi-truck takes this curve a little too hard and nearly topples onto the car next to it. A car stopped to wait for a school bus gets rear-ended hard enough to knock over their camera. A car nearly cuts off this semi and gets pulled over by a cop, but in the process, that cop also nearly cuts off this semi. These two cars both decide to run this red light. This car realizes it's driving the wrong way down a one-way road when it nearly gets into a head-on collision with another car. A car swerves to avoid being hit by a car driving the wrong way down this highway, causing them to lose control and spin out. A car decides to pull out right in front of the car filming and nearly gets themselves T-boned.
Christ!
The driver filming brakes just in time to not get in a brutal car wreck with a car running a red light. The driver filming nearly gets into an accident with someone who cuts him off while merging into his lane. A car doing donuts in the street gets found and chased by a cop. This semi-truck accidentally destroys its load while trying to cross under this bridge. This car accidentally runs itself off the road while trying to dodge traffic in the emergency lane. This car is driving while carrying a tree over double its size. A truck loses control and swerves in this tunnel, narrowly avoiding hitting several other cars. This truck blatantly runs a red light and luckily avoids causing an accident. This motorcycle is being driven while carrying at least 8 people. The car filming catches someone nearly causing an accident by running a red light, as well as a car seemingly hitting a curb and losing control. This car slowly drives straight into a moving train. This motorcycle driver moves up onto the median to bypass traffic and accidentally pulls right up to a cop. The driver filming accidentally T-bones a cop trying to turn left. A car taking a right on red at this intersection is nearly hit by the car filming. A car trying to go through a car wash with a ladder on its roof ends up partially breaking the wash and losing his ladder. A truck making a left onto this road clips oncoming traffic. A car taking a left at a red light is T-boned by oncoming traffic. A car trying to get into a parking lot near an intersection ends up scraping along another car. The driver filming is forced to swerve off the road to avoid being hit by someone driving the wrong way down the road. A car in a straightaway lane at an intersection decides to take a right on red. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to never miss our videos. Watch the videos on screen now.